There is a technique that will allow you to create custom section view. I will show you. Here I have a gearbox assembly. I'll switch to the Configurations tab on the Feature Manager tree. Right-click and select Add Configuration. I'll name this configuration and click OK. Now the new configuration active. Create a simple rectangular sketch. I'll launch the Extruded Cut feature from the Assembly Features drop-down menu. When I do the cut, Extrude Property Manager appears. I use Offset Plane. I'll make this a through-all cut in one direction. You can use the feature scope at the bottom to exclude any components. Then I'll simply click OK to finish the feature. I'll orient his model the way I want it to appear in the drawing. I'll save it as a new named view called My Section View. At this point, I can create a new drawing and bring in the newly created view. As you can see, your custom section view can be added to your drawing.